Hey guys, it's Tiara Yasmin. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing yet another custom order, and this one is going to be for my long-term friend. I love her so much. Her name's Ari, and she just purchased a really big order of nails, so I'm really excited to do this for her. She's been my A1 since I started college, basically. We've been friends ever since, and to have her as a supporter is something that's really special to me, so I'm so glad to be doing this order for her. So she sent me very specific sets that she wanted me to recreate, and like I've been saying lately, I've been loving to do custom orders or recreations for people. Whenever people want something specific and they send me a photo, I love to be able to replicate it for them. It's a lot of fun and it helps me increase my skill set. So she sent me this photo and I'll insert it right here. This is what she sent me, and I knew instantly I wanted to do it and that I was going to be able to do it properly. So something very similar to what I've done before. If you guys seen my chrome, molten chrome looking set that I posted a little while ago, you can go check that out if you guys have not already. But I've done that set, so it was very similar to this, and then it had some other cute little additions like airbrush and some gold gems. So super excited about how this turned out, and I think you guys will like it too. Like any French tip or any type of set that has an exposed kind of base, kind of like as if it were your natural nail, I start off with the same exact base coats that I use for all of my sets. This one is kind of a peachy color. I think it works a lot with a lot of different people of all skin tones, but I like to use this one because it gives me a more natural feel. I think we should rule out now, 'cause we're falling apart. Once I've got my base done, I'm going to go in with my airbrush and I'm going to put in a little bit of acetone and my color of choice, which is going to be this very vibrant, bright pink to match the one that was in the photo. Before starting any airbrush set, I like to go ahead and spray out a little bit, just because sometimes when you start spraying, the color is a little bit off, or a color that was previously in the airbrush might come out first, and that's not what you want. So once I test it out and make sure that pink is coming out properly, I'm going to go ahead and make that aura effect. Very easy, and I did layer it up a little bit so that it would come out more bold and vibrant, similar to the photo. So now that I've got those two done and they're out of the way, I'm then going to move on to my Molten Chrome looking nails. Again, I mentioned this in my last video when I used a chrome for the design that I was doing, and it was a little bit difficult for me because I think that I just must own a lower quality chrome set. I just ordered it off Amazon. It had a bunch of them to choose from. Either that or I'm just not super great at it, but sometimes when I do my chrome, it turns out more shimmery than it does metallic, which is kind of annoying because I want it to have more of a metallic look. So if you guys have any tips, then let me know for sure. Either way, I'm going to go in and matte out all of my nails that way that my chrome does not stick to the base, and that's a really helpful tip that I learned a while ago. I know some people like to put down a top coat and then buff out the top coat, but I feel like that kind of does a similar thing as the matte coat just by itself. I go ahead and matte out my entire nail and then continue on with my design. This squiggly design, or the design that you see here that looks like it's kind of melting, is done with just regular nail glue. I know some people like to use hard gel and things like that, but nail glue / charm glue, the kind of stuff that you glue things on with for the charms and everything, I feel like that works the best for me because it's a lot more movable and it just cures really well. So to be as precise as possible, I'm going in with a liner brush and making sure I get every little inch of this design covered with black polish, and then I'm going to cure it so that it becomes tacky. And then from there, that's going to help me put on my gold chrome. I'm thinking ahead for future videos, and I think I want to do some more vibrant sets like this one. It's just really inspiring me to get ready for spring. I think that I'm going to lean towards probably stuff that has to do with like the tropics and flowers and very like neon colors, but let me know down below what you guys would like to see specifically or just in general. Now that everything is tacky, I'm going to go ahead with a little makeup brush and my chrome and just rub it on there as well as I can. If you over cure it, it's not going to stick very well, but if you don't cure it enough, it's not going to spread at all. So you have to get that perfect balance. The only thing that's tricky about this for me is that sometimes the chrome gets onto other surfaces or the places where I'm not trying to get it on, but you can easily clean that up with a little bit of alcohol, a lint-free wipe, or even a brush for more precision.
I think we should rule out commitment for now, 'cause we're falling apart.
Here I'm adding final touches. So if you look in the picture, they have these little like star type things in the middle of the aura, and I think that's really pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and add those in for her and just replicate it as best as I possibly can to make it look just like the photo. I don't know how I just luckily had these charms. I knew I had them from a long time ago. I just never thought I would ever use them, and quite honestly I thought I threw them away, but I'm so glad I didn't because it came in clutch here. So I'm really excited for the end result and how this all turned out. So this is the final set. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys want to see in future videos. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.